For the installation, we will need a knife, a squeegee, a cloth, brake cleaner to remove grease, or another alcohol-based cleaner. We will also need a heat gun. The first step, as with any installation, is to degrease and clean the surface. Once the surface is clean, we can start the installation process. First, make sure the sticker fits properly and is aligned straight. Check how you want the sticker to be positioned. Then, slowly peel off the backing paper. After placing the sticker, gradually heat it and squeegee it outwards to remove all air bubbles. Once the sticker is fully applied, it is very important to heat it thoroughly. This activates the glue and allows the sticker to settle properly into place.
Well,